Hi, my name is Ashley Guerin. I'm with Trade Construction and I am the controller with Trade. I attended today as a guest to the Vistage meeting to listen to Dale speak, and it was very interesting. Our company has been around since 1982. It's a family-owned business, and we are constantly trying to make improvements and push systems and try to incorporate change and talk about how we can deliver better product and increase productivity and all of those things. Dale talked a lot about all of those different items today. It was very interesting to listen to him speak. We try to drive system processes a lot. When we first started, I've been with the company for 6 years, we did not have a lot of processes in place or documented. So we spent a lot of time going over those things and getting those things written down. So to hear him speak about that was really quite interesting. Very, very knowledgeable, very excited to be here and to be a part of this process and conversation.